Welcome. In this video I will show you about a new airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go. This glitch allows you to make in-game purchases without actually spending any real money. First, enable airplane mode on your device. Next, open the Monopoly Go app. Now try making an in-game purchase. You will see that the purchase goes through normally, but you won't be charged. This works because enabling airplane mode blocks the game from communicating with the server to process payments. This glitch can be helpful to bypass in-game purchase restrictions and gain an advantage. However, be aware that using this glitch can have some limitations. Your in-game achievements might be temporarily disabled while using this glitch. Constantly toggling airplane mode on and off can disrupt your gameplay flow. There is also a risk of getting banned from the game if you are caught exploiting this glitch. It's important to note that this glitch only affects purchases made while airplane mode is enabled. Any purchases made with an active internet connection will be processed normally. Keep in mind that the developers of Monopoly Go are constantly updating the game. It is possible that they will patch this glitch in a future update. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.